Imagine yourself in this 2003 Honda Civic. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine that gives you more control with its manual transmission. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. The sunroof lets fresh air in. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.